I bought this to replace the previous version from Intex, which died after one season. This one is a big improvement when compared to the old one. I like the self-clean cycle as it removes the built-up calcium easily. I also dip the plates in white distilled vinegar, and that also does the trick. Just keep in mind not to scrape the plates with anything hard or it will damage them. I learned this the hard and expensive way. I was out of salt system for a week and the water turned murky and greenish. 48 has of USI. But then it is cheap, just look at the alternatives, and those are unreliable, too. In fact, the price on AMZN for this device is dropping like a stone, a reflection on its reliability. That high salt warning 92, some others report 91, low salt, drove me crazy. I had sleepless nights over it. Anytime I turned on the SWG, I was dreading the beeping of death to start any moment. Hassle-free pool? My fuss. Tired of talking to Intex support? The only one lady they have on that phone is very patient, will send you all sorts of parts, but is hard to understand. I am truly sorry for her, and an AMZN sanctioned replacement that failed a few days later, too, I took to my own devices. Open the SWG, screws on bottom, look for the power wires, red and black in mine, coming from the transformer at 12 VDC, and connect them directly to the electrodes, black in warehouse. So move wire 1 on top of 3 and 2 to 4, picture. Now you have bypassed the control board that gives you warning about salt level and flow. Mind that with this change you are now on your own. Make sure that the pump is always on when you plug in the chlorinator. Buttons on the top will no longer do anything. Observe the white bubbles forming at TH. In my case I put both the pump and the chlorinator onto the same timer. See other picture. This way I can run it twice a day for about 90 minutes. Note that I had to replace the pump's GFSI with a regular plug as it kept tripping whenever the timer switched off, so it would not come on the next time. Careful there. The SWG's GFSI did not have this issue. This mod should be fine as my house's external receptacle has a GFSI already, green light and buttons to reset. I have been enjoying my pool since then. Every few weeks I switch the titanium electrode out with the one Intex has sent me and put it in vinegar until the next switch. Enjoy! I didn't have to add any other form of chlorine. This does the job perfectly and it automatically runs on expected time. The boost function serves like shocking the pool. Very easy to set up. It sleeps and conserve energy then run again after 24 hours. It has a self-clean function too. Hands down a great product, at a great price. This my second one. I had the older model before, and I install it on a non-Intex 12 by 24 by 54 inch pool. Click on the link below to see price.